what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
I love this song.
What you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me.
Yeah,
I'll be the
Constantine.
actress starring in your bad dreams. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me.
Sige, let's try it. Guys, 20 minutes left po. 20 minutes left. Thank you po for being here. I don't like the year. Okay. Are you guys enjoying ba? Press 1, press 1. Sa pagpatak ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto, pintig ng puso. Ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko, simula ng matanto na palang araw ibig ang puso. Pag-ibig na hinintay, puso'y nalumbay ng kahit tagal. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw, ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin na may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Patrick! Humihinto sa bawat oras ng tagpo, ang pag-ikot ng mundo, ngumingiti ng husa aking puso. Pagkat nasagot na ang tanong, nag-aalala noon kung may magmamahal sa akin ng tunay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw, ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko, ikaw. At hindi pa kumibig ng ganito at nasa isip magkasama ka habang buhay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw, ikaw pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Ang taas. Thank you, we'll see you. Glenn, thank you so much, Glenn. Oh my God. Okay, next song. I think I'm too loud right now because it's 9:45 p.m. And I guess the neighbors are sleeping already. Nalikan sila ng ibang taong kakanta. Patrick, you're laughing again. Thank you po. Guys, road to 5th box. Let's go. I mean, I'm in love with this song. Yeah, me too. Thank you, Senpik. Your neighbors are waiting for you to sing. I'm not sure about that. I'm still waiting for them to knock on my door and then, hey, you're too loud. We're sleeping here. But it's been 1 year. It's been 1 year already. No knock. Yeah, bumarangay na yan.